Hey guys, it's Kevin over at WAZ1110.BA0875 WAZ1110.BA0875 is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We have the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price of the watch, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from WAZ1110.BA0875 once in a while. Today we'll be reviewing the TAG Heuer Formula 1. This is the model number WAZ1110. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So this specific model only comes on the black dial configuration, as you see in my hand here. It has Arabic numerals 12, 12 and 6 in their respective positions, index hour markers for the rest. We have a date window at the 3 o'clock position. There's no Cyclops lens or anything like that to sort of have an improvement of magnification to view the date. The date is as is, but still not fully blocking out the indency, as they added a small indency there as well. Of course, all the indencies and the Arabic numerals along with the hour and minute hand are luminous. And actually can show you the luminosity for that. So give me 1 second to charge that luminosity there and shut off my lights. And there you are. You can see glows beautifully in the dark. This is a green luminosity. So it'll be very easy to read at night. You'll have no problems at all being able to tell the time at night when taking a glance at your watch. But besides that, we have the TAG Heuer logo or symbol right underneath that 12 o'clock position, and we have the TAG Heuer name at the 6 o'clock position as well, with the Formula 1 in a red. Besides that, we have a railroading, sort of a railroading on the very outer edge of the dial, as labeling the seconds, the 5 seconds 10, Arabic every other 5, as you can see all the way around. And we're going to go ahead and move on to the bezel now. So the bezel itself is a steel bezel, but it is PVD coated for the very beautiful black to sort of contrast against the steel, but also adding very nicely with the black dial as well. The bezel itself is unidirectional, meaning you can only turn it to the left. You cannot go counterclockwise, clockwise. You can only go in counterclockwise, as you can see. So I'm trying to do so here. You cannot turn it. You can only go in one direction. And that's the bezel itself is used to track elapsed time. So such as if you were to set it to where the minute hand is currently, you can switch it all the way around, get that sort of arrow to that minute hand, and then you'll be able to track the elapsed time from there on out. You can either track it in seconds, or rather, if you put it to the minute hand, you'll be tracking it in the minutes. So you can see 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, so on and so forth. But we're going to go ahead and reset that to the 12 o'clock position there. Okay, moving on to the case now. The case is a stainless steel case. You can see nice brush finish from the lugs itself. Peculiar lugs, as the lugs themselves taper very heavily straight towards the bracelet. So it kind of so it's not as typically as you see. It's sort of like sort of a tapering from a little bit wider stance to the bracelet. It tapers very harshly from the start of the case all the way inwards. And this is a 41 millimeter case size. And I can show you the side of the case. Nice brushed finish on the side of the case as well. It does sit a little high, but can still fit into the sleeve cuffs, dress cuffs very easily. On the other side, you can see that nice brush finish on that side as well, with the TAG Heuer logo on the crown itself there. The crown being in that nice PVD, being in that steel with the PVD coating as well. We're going to go ahead and show you the crown functions now by unwinding that crown counterclockwise as shown. And in the standard position, there's no actual winding of the watch, as you would see from other some of our other watch videos, as this is actually just a quartz watch. But what you can adjust is you can adjust the date by going counterclockwise. You can see at the 3 o'clock position. Get a little bit closer there for you. Just going counterclockwise, you'll be able to adjust the date as you like, and pulling the crown out to the final position will allow you to move the hands bidirectionally as shown. Again, While the crown is out in the final position, the second hand is stopped at the current position, allowing for precise time settings such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact second, and then pressing the crown back in. Second hand starts once more, and you'll be able to just screw that crown nice and tight in against the case once more. For the water resistance of this watch, you're looking at typical water resistance of 50 meters, or I believe 166 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. The bracelet is just a simple stainless steel bracelet, no tape, no fancy tapering of anything, just a nice thorough patterning throughout, matching with the same thickness or width of the clasp, and throughout to the other side of the bracelet as well. Just one continuous pattern. The clasp itself is a simple folding clasp with a tag Heuer logo on there on the sort of safety locking portion of it, and then it's a folding clasp from there on out. And then we have this high polished clasp blades, sort of a thin hinge, as you can see from the side profile. Snaps in very reliably, and then right on top. All right, moving on to the movement. Unfortunately, not much to say about the movement. The movement is just a simple quartz movement. So this watch is battery powered and not an automatic moving watch. If you don't want to deal with the hassle of winding watches, or you don't want to buy a watch winder or such things like that, then this might be the watch for you. Just simply slap in the battery, change it whenever it runs out, and you'll just have a nice precise precise timekeeping and a very nice watch in general. All right, let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So we're gonna go ahead and locate that folding portion again. Take off the safety. The clasp, or the sort of folding portion, snaps very tightly in there, so you know it's nice and secure. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and try that on real quick. And there it is. So very beautiful watch for just being a very simple watch in general. I mean, I personally think it's a very simple watch. You just have the TAG Heuer name that sort of pops out on the face of the dial. Besides that, just very quick information. Arabic 12, Arabic 6 at the respective positions help you landmark and quickly identify the time. You have the luminous hour marker, so you can read this watch at night. And that PVD style of the bezel and of the crown itself is just a nice sort of off tone of that black to nice, helps a little contrast against that just nice pure black dial, and also the steel as well. Again, it does sit a little bit high off the wrist, but there's nothing to worry about. This is not a very heavy watch in general. This would be a very good daily use watch. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website, WAZ1110.BA0875 You have the lowest prices guaranteed. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.